Hello friends, today our video is about at the airport. In this video you will get all the phrases used at our airport. Topics in this video are at arrival, at baggage and security, at boarding, at immigration and customs, flight information, airport assistance, special requests at the airport. At arrival, I'd like to check in for my flight, please. Can you tell me where the check-in counter is? Is this the right terminal for my flight? I'd like to check in for flight number, please. Can I have my boarding pass, please? I'd like to choose my seat, please. Can I check my bag, please? I'd like to pay for my baggage fee, please. How much does it cost to check a bag? Can I carry on this bag? I'd like to report a missing damaged bag. I need wheelchair assistance, please. I'm traveling with a pet. Can I get more information? I'd like to request a seat upgrade. At baggage and security. How much does it cost to check a bag? Can I carry on this bag? I'd like to check my bag, please. Can you tell me where I can collect my baggage? My bag is missing damaged. What do I do? Can you tell me what items are prohibited in carry-on bags? Do I need to remove my laptop shoes belt? I have a medical device liquids gels. What do I need to do? Can you tell me where the security checkpoint is? I forgot to take out my item. Can I still go through the security? Can you help me with my baggage security screening? I'm not sure what to do. Can you explain the process? Can you speak more slowly, please? At boarding. What's the boarding time for this flight? Can I board the plane now? I'm in the group number. Can I board now? Can you tell me where the gate is? Is this the correct gate for flight number? What's the departure time for this flight? Is the flight on schedule? Can you tell me the gate number for flight number? I'm running late. Can I still board the plane? Can you help me find my gate? Can you tell me if there are any travel alerts or delays? I'm not sure where to go. Can you help me? Can you speak more slowly, please? At immigration and customs. Passport, please. What is the purpose of your visit? How long do you plan to stay? Do you have a return ticket? Fingerprint scanning, please. Do you have anything to declare? What is in your luggage? How much duty will I have to pay? Can I take this item with me? I have nothing to declare. What is the duty-free allowance for item? How much liquor can I bring? What is the limit for carrying currency? Prohibited and restricted items. Is item allowed in my luggage? What items are prohibited? Can I carry restricted item? At flight information. What is the status of flight number? Is flight number on time? Has flight number been delayed? What is the estimated departure arrival time of flight number? What time does flight number depart arrive? What is the flight schedule for airline name? Can I have a printout of the flight schedule? Are there any changes to the flight schedule? What is the departure gate for flight number? What is the arrival gate for flight number? Has the departure arrival gate for flight number changed? Can you tell me where the departure arrival gate is? Has flight number been cancelled? Why was flight number delayed? What are my options if my flight is cancelled delayed? Can I get a refund rebooking if my flight is cancelled delayed? Do I have enough time to make my connecting flight? What is the minimum connection time for airline name? Can you help me with my flight connection? Where do I go for my connecting flight? Where do I check in for flight? Flight number. What is the check-in deadline for flight? Flight number. Can I check in online for flight? Flight number. Where do I go for boarding flight? Flight number. What is the boarding time for flight? Flight number. What is the baggage allowance for flight? Flight number. How much does excess baggage cost for flight? Flight number. Can I check in my baggage online for flight? Flight number. Where do I collect my baggage after arrival? What do I do if my baggage is lost or damaged? Do I need a visa to travel to destination? What travel documents do I need to bring for flight? Flight number. Can I use my electronic passport for flight? Flight number. Do I need to bring my boarding pass to the airport? Can I get a refund if I forget my travel documents? Airport assistance. I need help with my luggage. Can someone assist me to the gate? I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? Can I get a wheelchair mobility aid? I need medical assistance. Where can I check in my baggage? Can I get a baggage cart? I've lost my baggage. What do I do? Can I wrap my baggage? How much does it cost to store my baggage? Where are the restrooms? Can I find a charging point for my phone? Is there a smoking area? Where can I find a prayer room? Are there any baby changing facilities? Where can I find a restaurant cafe? Is there a bar lounge? Can I get a snack drink to go? Do you have any vegetarian vegan options? Can I pay with credit debit card? Where can I find duty-free shopping? Are there any discounts available? Can I get a refund exchange? Do you accept foreign currency? Can you recommend a good place to shop? Where is the airport lounge located? Can I access the lounge with my ticket? What amenities are available in the lounge? Can I purchase lounge access? How long can I stay in the lounge? Special requests at the airport. Special assistance. I need wheelchair assistance, please. Can I get help with my luggage? I'm traveling with an infant. Can I get a baby stroller? I need medical assistance. Can you call a doctor? Can I get assistance with my pet? Seat requests. Can I request a seat upgrade? I'd like to change my seat, please. Can I get a seat with more legroom? I prefer a window aisle seat. Is that available? Can I sit with my family group? Meal requests. I have a special meal request. Can I get a vegetarian vegan meal? Can I pre-order a meal for my flight? I have a food allergy. Can you accommodate my needs? Can I get a baby meal for my infant? Can I purchase a meal voucher? Travel documents. I forgot my passport. What can I do? Can you help me with my visa application? I need to purchase travel insurance. Can you assist me? Can I get a letter confirming my flight itinerary? I lost my boarding pass. Can you reprint it? Flight changes. Can I change my flight to an earlier later one? I need to cancel my flight. Can I get a refund? Can I change my seat to one with more legroom? I want to downgrade my ticket. Can I do that? Can I change my flight to a different airline? Baggage requests. Can I check in my baggage now? I have excess baggage. How much do I need to pay? Can I wrap my baggage for protection? I need to store my baggage. Can you assist me? Can I get a baggage cart to carry my luggage? Airport facilities. Can I access the airport lounge? Is there a shower facility available? Can I get a massage or spa treatment? Is there a gym or fitness center available? Can I get a hotel room or accommodation? Travel arrangements. Can you book a hotel for me? I need to rent a car. Can you assist me? Can you book a taxi or transportation for me? I need to purchase travel insurance. Can you help me? Can you assist me with my travel itinerary? Thank you.